So magic loop for sleeves is a little different because you are going to have 2 loops pulled out. I call them rabbit ears, instead of just one, which you would have for knitting around corners when you're forming the top. So to do the sleeves this way, I cast on the stitches using long tail cast on before I even start onto my right needle, and then with the working yarn just keep going and start to knit the sleeve stitches. So I like to use a nice long needle. That's why if I have at least a 40-inch long knitting needle, I can knit the entire sweater, and I'm just going to pull 2 loops out, knit around. The other thing I do is I know that my knitting gets tighter when I knit in the round on a small circumference like a sleeve. So I actually go up a needle size from what I've knitted the body with. The second needle, as long as it's smaller, this one, doesn't matter what size it is. So you're going to always pull out 2 loops. And basically you're knitting on one flat needle for each side. And if you pull one of the loops out at the halfway point of the underarm, you don't even need that underarm stitch marker. So I'm coming around to those cast on stitches, and I'm going to pull a loop. I cast on 6, so I'm going to pull a loop out right in the center of them. And that is going to be my beginning of round right there. So at the end, pull that loop, make this loop a little bit bigger, turn it back, and get this one into play. Pull that loop out there, and you're ready to knit off of this needle. And there's the tail. Ignore that. And that is how you're going to go around the sleeves. Again, the difference is with this one you've got 2 loops pulled out instead of 1. So that's using magic loop to knit sleeves. And just watch your gauge. If you start to tighten up, or if you know that you tighten up when you only knit, and especially for me, it's knitting small circumferences, you can just go up a needle size to keep that sleeve from that sleeve gauge from getting too tight. That's it.